The tool we need is a knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and if possible a small one. There are 2 leads in front of the screen. Take away the 2 leads by the knife, and then remove 2 screws from the screen. Then carefully remove this sleeve. It just snapped on, so carefully remove it. Make sure don't break it. Sometimes you may use a knife to help you a little bit. And then we remove the screw. There are 2 screws on the top that we need to take away. In the bottom there are 4, 2 on both sides. If possible, don't remove them, just loosen it. And then we have on the side, there are 4 screws holding the screen. 2 on top and 2 in the bottom. Remove that screws. After that, this part have to be more careful. Then there's a connector there. Carefully we move up a tape. Don't remove it, but carefully loosen the tape that holds the connector. Once we remove the connector, we can take away the old screen, and we get the new screen ready. The one that has a connector will be placed down. And we loosen the tape a little bit. That protects the screen. Now the important thing is to reconnect the connector. Be careful, make sure the connector is fully plugged in. The same way that you unplug it and then put back the tape. And then we can start putting back the screw that fasten the screen. Two screws on each side. So take away the tape, so that if after we fasten the screws, the tape may not be able to take away. So we put the other screw too. It takes time because it's small. So we put back the 2 screws on the top. So we put back all the screws. So we can test out before we put back everything. So it works. Okay, then we stop it. And then we start putting back the sleeves. Make sure it's slap on. Carefully fasten it. The last thing is to put back the 2 screws. And later we put back the 2 small lids that cover the hole. So it's done. We test it again. Yes, that's it.